look, today, bro, niggas is really, I ain't gonna lie. J. Cole dropped. He dropped some freestyles for his birthday and everything like that. Bro, y'all know we got to get a piece of that, bro. Niggas is I've been hearing niggas. Oh yeah, he the greatest. Like, bro, why niggas? He dissing back, or like, you know what I'm saying? He finally finna hear something. But hey, let's see what the fuck going on, bro. Let's see what's going on today. Shout out Dante. We finna react to his reaction. You know what I'm saying? By the way, this is all recorded live on Twitch, twitch.tv/Sinful TV. Twitch.tv/sinful.tv. You feel me? L is a capital I. Y'all know how I get down. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. Come on, man.
Still happening now. So I understand why he just wanted to be left alone out of it. But apparently today is his birthday and he dropped, I think it was like 4 or 5 songs. It was a website, but you had to pay to listen.
Oh,
and
no.
Of course I paid to listen. Yeah, so
I
I paid and then I just went to YouTube instead because it's just more convenient.
Yo. Yo, this nigga Dante's intro is so fucking fire, bro. Shout out Dante, bro. He's one of the greatest fucking streamers of all fucking time.
Yo.
Literally.
You don't think I see the non-subs talking about just hit play? Buddy, I'm about to. But I gotta press something else first. Let's go! Let me wait for it to hit. Let me wait for it to hit. Let me wait for it to hit. Wait for it to hit.
Yeah. To J.Cole.
Come here.
This shit off.
Come on.
Buddy, please don't tell me you're talking the whole time.
Word.
In the Ferrari, a lamb truck, switching wild lanes. Top down, screaming out them niggas all lame. Came up from the mud puddles, then it all changed. Ghetto fab, like my brother named Paul Kane. Somewhere along the way, I hate to say we lost shame.
Okay.
Grown men peddling gossip of all things.
What?
I remember when it was rapping, a ball playing.
What?
Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying.
Hold on. Let's take it back.
I hate to say we lost shame. Grown men peddling gossip of all things.
Yeah.
I remember when it
Grown men peddling
And gossip about. Hey, look, no. Look. Is he talking about. Hey.
like my brother named Paul Kane. Somewhere along the way, I hate to say we lost shame. Grown men peddling gossip of all things. I remember when it was rapping, a ball playing. Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying.
Come on.
Oh man, your name's a big conversation. Max deals for Luka Doncic, lobbing and hating. So nowadays,
Yo, so can we
No,
more basketball-
wait.
yo,
No. Max Steele, so look at.
No more basketball bars.
Wait.
That shit is dead.
Stop.
Shut up.
Stop, Dante.
Shut
Stop.
up.
Stop. That's why I said I carry it. Wait, nigga, I'm Luka Doncic.
I'm saying
You
it
remember
right
that?
now.
You remember that?
If
You remember that?
If you are a rapper
You remember that?
and you rap about basketball, you can't rap. Simply put, you can't think of a better line. You can't think of a better line. I said it. Yeah, I said it. You follow LeBron. Yeah, the actor from Space Jam 2. Fuck are you talking about?
This
you can
nigga's
make a
stupid.
grip
This nigga's stupid.
commentating if you master two skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around, the hating and the dick riding is blatant.
Hey, this nigga finna go crazy. This nigga finna. Oh, shit.
This is what I love. This is what I wanted. This is what Yo,
Get
mad, nigga.
We
Get
need
mad.
this.
Get mad.
I'm ready to retaliate,
Big
nigga.
conversation, Max deals for Luka Doncic. Parlay. Oh man, your name's a big conversation. Max deals for Luka Doncic, lobbing and hating. So nowadays you can make a grip commentating if you master two skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around and
Nowadays you can
make a grip commentating.
You can make a grip commentating if you master two skills.
Dick riding up.
Dick riding? Wait, hold on.
If you master two skills, either
Dick riding or hating. Come
Dick
on.
riding or hating.
Come on.
But Mr. Cole, you left out just being all around entertaining.
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I'm dick riding that shit.
Come on, man. Now I get it, okay? Reactions and, you know, the blogs may give a bad rap to people that review music, but there's some people who are just here for the vibes, bruh.
Facts.
Come
I
on,
just like your
man.
music.
Come
I just like
on,
your music.
bro. We're not all bad, man.
I just like
We're
your
not
music.
all bad.
Just look around, the hating and the dick riding is blatant. Tell mama your ticket to finally lift out of her basement. It's found in one magical word in this engagement. And nothing brings that like drama. You might wanna.
Hold on. He's got to be like, this is specific. This is specific, and this is not a diss to me. Why are you saying me?
It's not, yo.
I not gonna say no names because I think it's what's understood.
He dissing
don't
act,
need to
bro.
be explained, and it's like he said.
He
all these
he
niggas
dissing
be
act.
clickbaiting.
He's
Any
gotta
nigga
be
on-
dissing act.
Any nigga on Twitter right now, that got a check mark, but don't nobody know who the fuck they are. All they do, the only way they can get a bag is by taking these clips and mistitling them and editing them in a poor fashion.
Aiden Ross.
These niggas is broke. Those the niggas he's talking about. The niggas in the basement dwelling. We don't see what their face looks like. They're using pictures of fucking rappers and shit like that. You're fucking losers. You're fucking losers, and it is what it is.
Okay.
And I would be mad too if like the only way that I can get attention is if I had another nigga's name in my mouth. I would get mad too if that's how I had to live. It's a sad life to live, bro.
I feel like
It's a sad life to
feel
live,
like-
man,
I feel like-
and I understand, dude.
I honestly
It's
feel like,
cool. I understand.
like honestly.
The hating and the dick riding is blatant. Tell mama your ticket to finally lift out of her basement. It's found in one magical word in this engagement. And nothing brings that like drama. You might wanna. Personally, I don't write comments. I write commas. Withdrawals from pictures to pin
Wait.
draws.
Get mad. I'm gonna be pausing. There's a lot that I
Just-
want to say
Just
because the lot of the shit
Just
that he says,
come on,
like,
come on.
bitch, I got some
Come
shit
on.
to add to that.
You gonna run that
'Cause
back?
I
Come
know
on.
niggas that only.
Let's run that back.
I know niggas
Let's run that back.
that think I'm annoying and swear they don't like me.
Let's run that back.
Be on my dick the second some music drops because they want to
Facts.
see a real nigga react to it.
Facts.
They know oh my God,
Facts.
Dante too entertaining to not watch his reaction to it.
Facts.
Dante be spitting them facts. Too much facts for me to not watch it. I don't give a fuck if you the nigga that's like, I can't even watch Dante. I only watch him when, you still watch, nigga.
Facts.
I don't give a fuck about an only nigga. Fuck
Hard.
you, bitch. You still here. What? Talk shit about J.Cole. He don't give a fuck, nigga. You still listening. This shit drop. You scrambling and knocking shit down to talk about it.
I'm telling
Talk
you,
your
bro.
shit, J.Cole. Fuck.
Write comments. I write commas. Withdrawals.
You write comments. I write commas,
What you
nigga.
talking about, nigga?
You're typing. You're typing to talk shit. He's typing to spit a paycheck. He's spitting money.
Like, bro, come
This
on,
nigga
bro.
writes to spit
on.
money.
Come on, bro.
They try to charge a nigga to listen to this shit. I paid, of course.
From pictures to pin draws to fall off. They wanna know if this is the end all, be all to this rap game. He's trained in CPR. I'm a whole new breed for those that wonder who he think he is. That thunder at night to wake up their sleepy heads. Just when you thought that your boy was completely dead, boom, walked out that tomb like Matthew said that Jesus did. With the whole game on his shoulders, not even straining to hold it. I can spin around my fingers and bowl it. When I write, it's like I'm guided by the angels. I notice it's like the ghost of Christopher Wallace and came in and wrote it. First name Jermaine and it's goaded. Never once his fame been a motive. Far from it. Respect first. Next up, my neck.
Never has fame been
Never has fame been a motive.
And it's the niggas that want to be so famous that just
Like,
make it,
that's just
make it nowhere.
facts.
Cause bitch, we see right through you. We see right through you, fake niggas. Bitch, you know.
Like,
what
you,
I'm talking
nigga, you lost the plot,
about. Bitch, if
gang.
you feel like I'm talking about
lost the plot,
I
gang.
am. Fuck you.
I'm here.
Wrote it. First name Jermaine and it's goaded. Never once his fame been a motive. Far from it. Respect first. Next up, my net worth. The best verse belongs to the nigga that should live in a Bronx Zoo. I stomped through on some King Kong shit. Long ding dong shit. Pause. I rinsed off the sun.
Ding dong. Anybody seen Wonder Man?
Come
That's
on,
what a
bro.
lot of you niggas are. One hit wonders. Fuck out of here, nigga. You're done. You're a bot. You're a bitch. Fuck you, nigga.
Talk to me.
Sorry. I feel the spirit of J.Cole in my body, bitch, and I'm speaking for him.
Talk to it, nigga.
Yo, hold on, man.
Respect first. Next up, my net worth. The best verse belongs to the nigga that should live in a Bronx Zoo. I stole through on some King Kong shit. Long ding dong shit. Pause. I rinsed off the sauce, y'all got lost in all this false floss and dog. It's exhausting, right? I hate these rapping like I'm Charleston White. Give arthritis to authors. It's hard to write as hard as the God does. Y'all tallest to me. Stop bothering.
No, this is rap.
This is
rap. Like his voice, it's not.
Chat, when I do this, it's cinema.
He's like rapping until he runs out of breath.
It's cinema.
That's how you know this nigga's really passionate about the shit that he's talking about right now.
Cinema.
It's not even like it's a clean like flow, but like the delivery, you could tell like he's like trying to get that shit
some
out.
out.
Nigga,
He's,
like I
yeah.
really mean this shit.
Come
Nigga,
on, bro.
What the fuck is you talking about?
All this false floss and dog, it's exhausting, right? I hate these rapping like I'm Charleston White. Give arthritis to authors. It's hard to write as hard as the God does. Y'all
What the fuck? Obviously,
you know, people on YouTube are gonna take what you just said serious.
to me. Stop bothering me. Young Simba, some niggas threw some hate my way, but only thing that they should say is Cole, you like a father to me. Top is really what I thought it would be. And so I jumped off it, landed back at the bottom, and restarted at a level where I wasn't regarded as much. Just to climb past them again and tell them all to keep up. I love it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The fucking disrespect.
I ain't gonna lie. Real talk.
Past you, fell back, cooled off,
Real talk.
climbed right back up past you again, nigga. Keep up. What are you doing?
This is bad.
Huh? Hello?
I ain't gonna
You
lie.
had all this time. I ain't
it.
been doing shit.
We been here.
I'm
We been
feeling.
here.
I'm feeling this right now.
We been
I'm
here.
feeling this right now.
I'm
Birthday
loving
blizzard.
this, nigga.
Is he the real Iceman?
I'm loving this, nigga.
It's hard to write as hard as the God does. Y'all tallest to me. Stop bothering me. Young Simba, some niggas threw some hate my way, but only thing that they should say is Cole, you like a father to me. The top ain't really what I thought it would be. And so I jumped off it, landed back at the bottom, and restarted at a level where I wasn't regarded as much. Just to climb past them again and tell them all to keep up. I love it. Truly, I'm aging backwards. In the sandboxes, I play with trappers. The K's pop like Asian rappers. The bullets grazing afros, piercing through front doors and left holes in a baby mama's favorite bathroom. Thank God no one was home. I'm so in the zone. Might wake up at 4 in the morning. Stop mourning alone. Discover the snakes. Pull up to your place and going alone. Creep to your room. Put 4 in your dome. If your girl scream, tell the queen, bitch, lower your tone. Hey, matter of fact, go on your phone. Add me on IG. I used to be top seed. Apology dropped me way out of the top 3. I used to be top of your tone. Hey, matter of fact, go on your phone, add me on IG. I used to be top seed.
I love this flow, by the way. So,
Hey, by the way, Cole, you never was out of my top 3, my nigga. You was never out of my top 3. Nigga, you top 2. 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 And you not the 2 gang.
Like,
you top 2 and you not the 2 gang.
Sucks at
You top 2 and you
like,
not the 2 gang. You
like,
top 2 and you not the 2 gang. Come on, bro.
I just think some people
Come on,
wanted to
my
see
nigga.
that battle.
Come on, my nigga.
Me included.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
But bro, the way he rapping here, what
Bro.
the fuck? I feel like there's not even a question right now.
It's
There's not even a question. And
I
this is just
understand.
the first song.
Like, I understand he wanted
of
to
some-
keep his peace.
off of the birthday blizzard.
I understand he wanted to keep his peace.
Hey, matter of fact, go on your phone, add me on IG. I used to be top seed. Apology dropped
Me,
way out of
the top 3.
No problem, I'm probably my best when they doubt me. Watch me.
I'm probably the
This is
best when they doubt
when
me.
An artist works best when they're mad, when they're angry, when they got something to prove, or sadly when they're on drugs. But luckily in this case, it's mad. It's anger and trying to prove something.
Watch me.
DJ Cole.
Watch me.
To the storm.
Oh yeah, this was fire.
Oh,
This
was
song?
so fire.
This song is fire. I like this one. Gas.
DJ Cole.
Came in and talked this shit. Watched them.
You know what?
I like that. Like it a
Cold
lot.
truth, got
Ooh.
they throw the nooses. Grip never letting up, though they hope it loosens. Nah.
Wait, this beat
Nigga.
sounds familiar.
It do. But I'm not gonna lie. Sound like some
Oh
boondock
my
shit.
god, this is I like. Sorry, this shit
Bro.
is so beautiful, bro.
Oh my
This
god.
shit not, it's not gonna be on Spotify, is it?
DJ Clue, to the storm.
Talk to me.
You
Come
know
on, Cole.
what? You know what? You know
Give me
what?
some more. Feel me. Feel me.
Cold the truth, got they throw the nooses. Grip never letting up, though they hope it loosens. Nah, I'm on top, you can't knock me off my spot. Fuck yachts, I won't stop till the boat's a cruise ship. So the whole world knows who got the gold acoustics. Only then will I split like I co-produced it. A lot of rappers make
This is the type of shit I like. This is the type
Like
of shit
this.
I like. Yo,
Like
fuck
this
a
is
hook,
what
just
we
rap.
need, nigga.
Fuck a hook, fuck a radio hit. Just
is what
rap.
we
Show
need,
your fucking
nigga.
bar skills, bro. Like, this is what I fucking love. And no crazy beat either, even though the beat's fire. Just boom, bap
the
it.
beat is like
Boom,
bro.
bap it. I want to hear you.
knows who got the gold acoustics. Only then will I split like I co-produced it.
Huh.
Lot of rappers make dough and be prone to lose it. For crumbs, dumb niggas so they sold illusion.
Yeah.
Universal distribution, but I own the music. Best niggas still breathing, leaving no confusion. Hop on every nigga song, abuse it. Catch bodies for my own amusement. Niggas cheating and I won't excuse it.
I can't.
I like that first song a lot. But I really
Like this
really
song.
like this one because
Oh.
I love
Oh,
this
yeah.
beat.
Oh yeah.
And bro,
Oh, yeah.
Chad, this is the type of rap I like, bro. When a nigga just talking shit to niggas. Cause sometimes you gotta do that. Sometimes you just gotta talk.
You gotta
your
establish.
fucking shit,
You
bro.
really gotta establish your
Being nice
dominance.
to these niggas.
That don't work.
It's
don't.
all fun and games.
What's holding them up?
But sometimes you gotta look at a nigga and
work.
you gotta let them know, bitch, fuck
It
you.
don't
I'm him.
work.
That's why you're listening to this shit right
There's
now.
no way out of this.
That's why you're listening to. You can say whatever
You're
you want. Bitch.
done.
If you hate me that much and my shit is so garbage, why are you listening to my music right now?
You're
Why the fuck are you
done.
here?
Only then will I split like I co-produced it. Lot of rappers make dough and be prone to lose it. For crumbs, dumb niggas so they sold illusion. Universal distribution, but I own the music. Best niggas still breathing, leaving no confusion. Hop on every nigga song, abuse it. Catch bodies for my own amusement. Niggas cheating and I won't excuse it. If I said it, then I wrote it, stupid. I'm a star like the logo on my shoes, but these ain't no Converses. Nah, girl, they golden gooses. A nice fella, but the flows is ruthless. And the culprit's 2-6, where the closest you get to hope is hope meals, roll cold.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I don't like.
y'all
this is
not
fucking
even-
beautiful. Listening to this shit now, like, this is something you hear on the credits of his fucking documentary, of his fucking of a movie about him, in the credits roll. This shit is fucking beautiful.
I'm a star like the logo on my shoes, but these ain't no Converses. Nah, girl, they golden gooses. A nice fella, but the flows is ruthless. And the culprit's 2-6, where the closest you get to hope is hope meals, roll cold, and see more beef than them folks at Roof Chris.
What?
Teach a man how to fish, and the lesson is this: without a pole, you're useless.
Oh my.
Catch my drift. I'm swift on my toes, you doofus. And that's why the hoes that choose this, they like, can I kick it? Like they roll for Q-tip. Sure, but just know, baby, we don't open doors for Cupid. Or leave windows cracked, you been known that. I'm worldwide, these niggas like a little known fact. They lack focus and they pause is puke.
I can't.
I'm worldwide. These
can't.
niggas like a little known fact. Little known fact,
Look.
bruh.
Trick. From poison of all different sorts they using. If the streams say you're winning while your tours is losing. From poison of all different sorts they using. If the streams say you're winning while your tours is losing.
Bots. Yo, this world that we're in right now, the digital age, everyone's so insecure about these fucking digital numbers, bro. About these digital numbers, bro. Niggas is botting shit to impress niggas that would call your music trash regardless.
That's right.
Fuck those people. You should only be doing shit and only care about the people that is genuinely there for you, not for the fucking numbers, bro.
Facts.
If they only want to listen to your album because your album is selling well and it's number one, them niggas is not fans.
They're not real
They're
fans.
bandwagoners.
Yeah, facts.
Who give a fuck about them, bro?
I feel that.
Those niggas, the niggas that listen to whatever you drop, whenever you drop it, those the niggas that's buying the tickets.
Facts.
Those the niggas that's buying the merch.
Facts.
Give a fuck about these fucking bots. This shit only sold 60,000. You're typing comments. typing commas. You're typing comments. I'm typing comments.
Come on, man.
We gotta stop giving these fucking no-faced.
You can stop giving them
letters.
power,
That's all they
bro.
are,
Stop
is
giving them
little
say
letters.
so.
All this like the feel like they got power over
Facts.
people. Give a fuck. Give a fuck.
When the math ain't math, then of course you're juicing. That mean the bots is boosting, cut the tough.
We're on
Come
the same
bro.
page.
Yeah, like,
We're on the same
come on,
page.
bro.
We're on
Come
the same page.
Come on.
Yo. Nah, let me text him. Nah, bro, I totally got it. Like, it's like we finish each other's.
Send us it.
He just texted me back.
Come on.
It's just weird how this happens.
Come on, bro.
When the math ain't math, then of course you're juicing. That mean the bots is boosting, cut the tough guy image. It is not conducive to breathing. Don't gamble with your life, cause the ops is cruising. Word to Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for losing. And I don't like those eyes, so I stay in my lane. Despite every bit of dirt thrown my way, there'll never be as like those eyes. Ops is cruising. Word to Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for losing. And I don't like those eyes.
Wait, Mike Vick, your dog's Mike is.
Word to Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for losing.
Come on, bro. This
Like,
like
what?
can we leave him alone, bro? It was in the past.
Mike Vick, your dogs
Thought this
might get
before.
shot for losing. Your
I made the
dogs.
same joke before.
Your dogs.
Imagine
your
just
dogs.
listening to this
Not
shit.
your
No, he's going
like
off.
your
Are
dog.
you fucking
dog.
serious?
I'm talking about
Again?
DHWG,
It's
nigga.
like, bro, just want to hear the music, man. You just want to hear the music.
And I don't like those eyes, so I stay in my lane. Despite every bit of dirt thrown my way, there'll never be a stain on my name. That's why I walk around dolly as if ain't nothing changed. Without a chain on my frame, niggas can never know the pain of Jermaine. But I can't name a thing that I ain't overcame. I despise my celebrity, I ain't in the fame. Don't be silly, want the chili, similar to Usher Rain when he's singing.
Every bar right now. Every bar right now. I'm sorry.
It
relatable.
resonates with your soul, bro.
Every bar is relatable, bro. It's just relatable.
Maybe not to me.
That I ain't overcame.
Not all of them.
Despise my celebrity, I ain't in the fame. Don't be silly, want the chili, similar to Usher Rain when he sang in the rain. Hey, money bring respect in this game. Ain't it a shame how them things in a change?
Huh?
Hold on, bro.
Despise my celebrity, I ain't in the fame. Don't be silly, want the chili, similar to Usher
the
Rain
rain.
when he sang in the rain. Hey, money bring respect in this game. Ain't it a shame how them things in a change?
So far, both of these songs, this shit's
Tough.
this
Banger.
shit's 2 for 2.
Me boomba. Me.
This shit's 2 for 2, bro. Wait, why'd he get banned? Yo, mods, chill. Wait, hold on. I'm seeing hella niggas get banned and shit like that. Yo, I think niggas are scared to type right now. Oh my god. Bro said no disrespect, Tay, but you for sure J.Cole demographic. I guess you right. Niggas that successfully made it. Niggas that successfully made it and gotta deal with the shit that happens and that comes with making it. The fake niggas, the niggas that talk shit, the niggas that hate you, the fake people that try to show love to you but talk shit behind your back. I guess you're right, bro. I guess you're right, bro. I guess that's a bad thing, man. I guess that's a bad thing, man. Hold on, you're right. I should probably. Are you listening? To Lil Pump? You know he's making a comeback. Were you one of the people that was like, I need that 2016 Pump back? Was you one of them? Because I seen him make that tweet. Somebody said it. Somebody said it. I heard y'all said y'all need that 2016 Pump back. Niggas was searching Twitter. Nobody said it, but maybe you did. Maybe he saw you say it. 2 songs in, this got me feeling good.
2 for 2.
This got me feeling good. I love this. I love all of this. That beat was fucking.
Oh!
New York City is crazy outside right now. It's cold as fuck.
I'm listening. Oh, I'm listening.
Beautiful. You know what I mean?
He's about to destroy this. He's gonna destroy this shit.
Stay alive. That's the only thing.
Yeah, hey yo, scrap everything I was working on prior to the day the world decided to play. I got a brand new agenda. They trying to keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey. How I ran through them niggas.
Dontai, we all want Lil Pump and Icy Narco back in 2026.
Okay.
Now I'm back for the winter, trying to outdo myself. No chain on my neck, but got a palpable wealth. I grew up in the heat.
No chain on my neck, but got a palpable wealth.
Come on, bro.
Chat. You're so lucky I'm humble. You're so lucky I'm humble. Go back. Wow. Y'all are telling me to go back. Crazy. Crazy. Usually it's, yo, hit play. 2 times speed.
On prior to the day the world decided to play. I got a brand new agenda. They trying to keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey. How I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the winter, trying to outdo myself. No decided to play. I got a brand new agenda. They trying to keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey. How I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the winter, trying to outdo.
What does that mean? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, does she still go with
No.
what's his name from Snowfall?
No. Oh, I think so, yeah.
They
What's
still
that nigga
together?
name?
Okay.
Franklin.
So what, hold on, what
Do my Harley, bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey. How I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the winter.
ran through what niggas? Hold on. Lori Harvey is an American model, actress, entrepreneur, and socialite. She started modeling at age 3 and walked the dot. Harvey is the daughter of Marjorie Harvey and adopted daughter of comedian actor Steve Harvey. Before modeling, she was a competitive. Did she do track or something? Like, what are we talking about? She's a bop. Oh. She was with Michael B. Jordan?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Why do niggas share the same girl? Like, what is even the point? Like, you can literally get anybody. Why do they all date the same people?
R. Kelly and Usher.
With your boy Harley, bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey. How I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the winter.
Future.
Do myself. No chain on my neck, but got a palpable wealth.
Why did he? Fuck why he said it. Fuck it. Stand on it. Give a fuck. What's she gonna do? Write a diss back?
Grew up in the heat of the South, you could melt, cause the summer humidity enhances stupidity. Means say I'm humble, but trust is humility. From witnessing violence and turned off utilities. No man that's rhyming can match my fluidity. I'm Mike Jordan, Ant Edwards, nigga, you kidding me? Cole gets older, but grows new abilities. You didn't know I'm Zeno with Goku agility.
Yo, okay, this nigga just been away watching shit. He's just been watching hella shit.
Oh my god. Hey, that do me justice. Y'all know that do me justice.
Yo, this nigga been on my Patreon. Yo,
y'all know that do me justice. Oh, fuck.
Rhyming can match my fluidity. I'm Mike Jordan, Ant Edwards, nigga, you kidding me?
Why y'all putting ants, bruh?
Come on.
Gets older but grows new abilities. You didn't know I'm Zeno with Goku agility. Come witness perfection. These niggas perplexing like witness protection. Get whole new identities. Then start rapping, but what happened to the real you? I used to get self-conscious around real gangsters, and I still do. Find peace with the audience you appeal to. Be yourself, living your truth. Niggas will feel you.
Come on, bro. He's talking.
Right there. So much facts. Right
He's
there.
just talking.
And it's so crazy because there's gonna be a lot of niggas that's be like, yo, facts, but be the same niggas faking it, bro. Like,
no
you're
facts.
Literally faking it, bro. Fuck
no
out
facts.
of here, bro. Fuck out of here. D Porter Live said, "Be quiet." You have a picture of an.
Uncle Monkey. Ape together strong.
Oh my God. Come on, guys.
Hunger, what don't make you stronger will kill you. The pain will build you, God'll heal you. Don't make your moves off a dollar bill, it's not as fail proof. As say, following your heart that way, long as you have faith, the path pays tenfold. Me, I chose rapping over class A tempos. Back when rapping still was trying to pass they demos. To A&R reps, I was dubbing Sally Mae, not paying off debts. Through the toughest alleyways, we would pray that our steps were protected by the Lord. Cause what I witnessed had all my niggas staying silent like that's none of our business. I'm in desperate need of commas like a run-on sentence.
I'm in desperate need of commas like a run-off sentence. Like that, yo. And
It's
the way he just, the way, how smooth
It's
he's
just the
going
delivery, like
from flow
and
to
niggas just
flow,
coasting and
no space,
coasting and
no like
just, bro. I'm
wasted bar.
I'm at a loss.
Like a runner-on sentence, I'm trying to see greener pastures, cause preteens are blasters. Not a lot of talking, but the gun's long-winded. No strap on my body, I'm an unarmed menace. I'm an unarmed menace. New York, New York. New York, New York.
Y'all don't even know the original, bro.
Another
Let's stop,
banger.
bro. Y'all don't even know what the instrumental from.
Another fucking
DJ Clue. To the storm. Nigga.
Oh my God.
This is what we needed, bro. This is what we needed, and then you got
Let's
the
do it.
fall off dropping in a.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
And what a
I'm ready.
week.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm
A
ready.
week, my nigga. Oh my God.
DJ Clue.
Shit, nigga.
Talk to me.
Yeah. I orbit the earth whenever I'm recording a verse. When I'm ready to drop, steady gon' report on it first. Play my album for the corpse in a hearse. It's so live, the flow can make the rigor mortis on a mortal reverse. These niggas reckless trying to disrespect the Lord of the church. Get disconnected from your source just like the cord at your birth. I'm from an alternate dimension. I got lost inside of this one. Now I'm walking around and looking for a portal that works. But all of the perks around me make it harder to search. The tormented poet, I know I'm making more than I'm worth. And one time my neck and wrist was having so much ice. You think I'm getting dudes deported to a border and turf. These niggas
Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro.
perks around me make it harder to search. The tormented poet, I know I'm making more than I'm worth. At one time, my neck and wrist was having so much ice. You think I'm getting dudes deported to a border and turf. These niggas swear they doing numbers, but it's more to the story. You bust it down, it's by the streams of kids ordering merch. When niggas hate it's like a blessing in the form of a curse. I've been anointed since a quarter water slaughter my thirst. Songbirds wanna swallow my girth, I'm off the market. If life was truly a movie, God is the art department. The only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet. The Marshall.
Oh my God!
Blessing in the form of a curse. I've been anointed since a quarter water slaughter my thirst. Songbirds wanna swallow my girth, I'm off the market. If life was true. Apartment. The only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet.
That was so fucking beautiful. That right there, that bar right there is better than a lot of niggas' whole fucking discography, bro. That was so good.
Oh my
Play my
God.
album for the corpse and
Hold on.
It's so live, the flow can make the rigor mortis on a mortal reverse. These niggas reckless trying to disrespect the Lord of the church. Get disconnected from your sources like the cord of your birth. I'm from an alternate dimension. I got lost inside of this one. Now I'm walking around and looking for a portal that works. But all of them perks around me make it harder to search. The tormented poet, I know I'm making more than I'm worth. At one time, my neck and wrist was having so much ice. You think I'm getting dudes deported to a border of turf. These niggas swear they doing numbers, but it's more to the story. You bust it down, it's by the streams of
Yo, the fact I just seen a nigga.
Yo,
what
bro.
does that even mean? Yo, this is Hold on.
It's ordering
I
merch.
gotta hear this. I gotta hear this. I gotta hear this. This shit's so fucking. This is so beautiful right here. I love shit like this.
When niggas hate it's like a blessing in the form of a curse. I've been anointed since a quart of water slaughtered my thirst. Songbirds wanna swallow my girth. I'm off the market. If life was truly a movie, God is the art department. The only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet.
Somebody called the fire department. I've hired an arsonist, set fire to carpet to burn down your entire apartment. This shit is so like I love a fucking.
This
I
shit
love a
fire,
fucking
bro.
flow, like
This
a
shit
roller
hard.
coaster flow. Like that bitch is so fucking smooth, bitch. One more time. Last time.
Blessing in the form of a curse. I've been anointed since a quart of water slaughtered my thirst. Songbirds wanna swallow my girth. I'm off the market. If life was truly a movie, God is the art department. The only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet. The Marshall Falk of the roster with all-star offense. Outside of the music.
I need this. I need the album.
When they say that's that tenderism.
I need the album, bro.
That's that.
I seen on the site.
That's that tenderness. Fuck up unity.
How much for me to just be able to listen to this shit right now?
That's that tenderness.
Please. Please, I need this.
My girth, I'm off the market. If life was truly a movie, God is the art department. The only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet. The Marshall Falk of the roster with all-star offense. Outside of the music, I'm as cool as your water faucet. I stay to myself, I ain't talkative. Y'all taught me not to have a heart-to-heart with a monster. They all too heartless. Like the skeletons of these fellas locked in the closet. I smelt it from the jump cause it felt too awkward around it. I fell back. My dog in heaven pushing Hellcats would tell you from the beginning. I wonder how could I dodge it. The beef ain't real, so it ain't no reason to squash it. The game ain't neither, so it's easy for me to pause it. With one verse, I disassemble narratives. Your theories get killed. The murder weapon with superior skill. Selling drugs to your stereo. Sincerely.
Hold on. Hold on. Go again.
Watch it. The game ain't neither, so it's easy for me to pause it. With one verse, I disassemble narratives, and the cats would tell you from the beginning. I wonder how could I dodge it. The beef ain't real, so it ain't no reason to squash it. The game ain't neither, so it's easy for me to pause it. With one verse, I disassemble narratives. Your theories get killed. The murder weapon with superior skill.
Oh my God. Beef was stage confirmed. My dog in that Hellcat. Oh my OMG. OMG. Fuck, man, he's spitting. Bro,
Selling drugs to your stereo. Sincerely, it feels like overdosing off a myriad of various pills.
Yeah.
You're not alone when you experience ethereal thrills. Even niggas burning in hell when they hear me get chills. I'm a 90.
Yeah. I felt it. I felt it. This shit's better than drugs. This shit's better than fucking drugs, bro.
Your stereo, sincerely it feels like overdosing off a myriad of various pills. You're not alone when you experience ethereal thrills. Even niggas burning in hell when they hear me get chills. I'm a 99 bill from the Ville signing mighty fine deals. The year's total was 95 mil. So why do I still grind like I'm trying to retire? My mom's out the post office from St. John's to the league. Like
That's what I'm saying. This nigga's rapping like this is it feels like a fucking mixtape,
bro.
And he's still trying to prove shit to people.
I'm Mohawkless. Unloaded the whole cartridge on foes who wholeheartedly oppose the chosen one that rose like the golden sun. In the morning to give light to even those that shun. Rays from the flows radiate the globe, melting snow on this frozen tundra. Known as the rap game that's been overcome with loads of marketing plans based on randomly dissing and hating on the next man.
Hold on.
One more time. Come on.
It's just like, it's just going, and I couldn't find even a spot to just kind of dissect.
One that rose like the golden sun in the morning to give light to even those that shun. Rays from the flows radiate the globe, melting snow on this frozen tundra. Known as the rap game that's been overcome with loads of marketing plans based on randomly dissing and hating on the next man. I understand, imagine working hard as you can on this album you plan, hoping it charges your brand. But as soon as you drop it, the world's ignoring again. Got you wondering why till you start to notice the trend. Drama enhances the attention brought to the fans on popular channels, so you wanna hop on the band, wagging a battle, rapping and throwing shots in a jam. I had my chance, but I dropped it, which means that my only option is to do the opposite. Then,
oh my God, yo, gay, yo, bro. 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 Yo.
You niggas make me sick, bro. And I'm not even talking to y'all right now. I'm talking about this whole thing. You niggas make me sick. These niggas is not fans of rap. They are fans of the drama that comes with it.
Facts. Facts.
They are fans that, like, whatever drama is happening, if it's not beef, it's boring to them.
Facts. And he just told you that the shit was fake.
And it's like, part of me can't even fault the audience that only are invested in shit that's drama, because that's the only thing that social media pushes. The only time when we hear anything is if it's something negative about an artist. And it's like, that's the way of them pushing a single.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, this nigga's
He's
calling
just,
so many people out, and I fuck with this shit, bro.
this is a masterpiece, my nigga. And it's just some shit that he dropped on his birthday.
Let me just go back and think again. Like, I just want to hear that and really think, because there's so much. There's like just so much.
Ignoring again, got you wondering why till you start to notice the trend. Drama enhances the attention brought to the fans on popular channels, so you wanna hop on a band, wagging a battle, rapping and throwing shots in a jam. I had my chance, but I dropped.
Yo, low key, this is what Joey Badass did. Like, when all this shit was going on, he was like, "Yo, I'm here too, nigga."
He did do that shit. Yo, he did. Yeah.
Yeah. Which means that my only option is to do the opposite then. Lead with the skill, nigga. If hip hop is back,
Lead with the skill,
nigga. Come on.
Lead with the skill.
Come on.
Not only like, yo, oh my gosh, bro. If your crutch for anything, for engagement, is just talking shit about niggas, I feel sorry for you. I feel so sorry for you, bro. Because, like, anytime you got something that you want to drop, you got to diss somebody. You got to talk some shit about somebody. Even streamers. Like, if streamers or at least YouTubers where their whole content is just talking negative about somebody.
Yeah.
Like, we see it, bro.
Yeah.
We see the thumbnails. The thumbnails be a YouTuber like this. And it's like, this is the end. This is the last time. It's officially over. It's like people that only thrive on negativity. You wake up every day just finding on the next nigga to hate on.
Facts.
I would be mad too. It's over. I would be mad too. This is really opening my eyes, and you know, I see this shit. And I hear this shit, but it's just like, ugh, man.
Bro, this is fucking crazy.
I miss how shit.
This is
I miss how
crazy,
shit
bro.
used to be when I was like reacting to music.
Oh, for a second I thought
And
my
even like
mic wasn't on.
even the
I was finna
blogs
flip the fuck
pages
out.
were different. Like academics page, like even that shit was different. Like back then,
Hell yeah.
it was just actually about like music and shit. But now it's just, I don't even know what it is anymore. It's just drama, and then everybody pushing drama.
Drama don't do nothing but cause more drama.
Facts. Come on, bro.
With all this
We know that.
wisdom you speak, you should make it into a rap album. Year 7 of waiting for you to drop. Give it up for 7 years.
Chat, I just want to say that I love and appreciate y'all. And yo, I'm just, even to the people that only the people that don't, the only time they watch me is if I'm reacting to an album. I know I got on them earlier.
Nah, most definitely.
But
I react.
I do appreciate. I know I talk shit about streaming,
To a lot of
streaming in
your
the streaming
stuff.
world because it's so dog shit and fucking terrible right now. But I do appreciate y'all for even you know, still continuing to come in here and watch me listen to something. Because I'd rather it be that than drama, you know? Luckily, I don't get in drama. But I would hate for the reason that I only get people, like a lot, people to come back after not watching me for a minute because of some drama. And sadly, that's what a lot of other creators need and kind of thrive off. Drama. Yo, I need to do this so that I can do this. And
I gotta talk about him, and then I gotta, you know,
this shit. Listening to this, bro, it's like I just
gotta react to what he's doing.
I relate to it, not on this scale, but it's just things that I definitely can relate to and understand.
ID should chart platinum. Anything less than that, it means y'all capping. The fall off is dropping 2-6. Stop asking. I wanna thank God, cause I almost lost passion. Thought that I was finished, then it all start crashing. Made me remember why niggas start rapping. I'm pissed cause the Knicks could have hired Mark Jackson.
Stop talking about basketball. You will be a significantly better rapper. I don't know, man. Throw some Harry Potter bars in there, bro. Even some anime, man. You did it once before. Let's drop basketball for good. Bro, let's drop it for good.
Stop.
Let's drop basketball from bars for good.
Stop.
Who's with me, chat? Who's with me?
You're the only person.
Please, bro. I'm so sick of this shit.
You're by yourself.
I'm so, like, every time I go back, you know why I have to go back? It's because every time I hear a basketball ball, like, I just blank out. I can't do it. I just lose all train of thought. I lose all train of thought, bro.
Then with the skill, nigga. If hip hop is back, JID should chart platinum. Anything less than that, it means.
Wait, if hip hop is back. Facts.
Chance, but I dropped it, which means that my only option is to do the opposite. Then
hold on, because niggas act like JID is bad.
Like what, bro?
Niggas act like
JID a
nigga
called me an old head for listening to JID,
shit,
bro.
Like put him up like that. Cause I guarantee it's gonna be some dumb. There's probably some dumbass. There's gonna be a dumbass tweet this year. If JID just kind of chills this year and doesn't drop anything, there's going to be a dumbass tweet who's going to be like, remember when they tried to push JID on us? The same way they did with fucking Tizo touchdown. Remember when they tried to push JID on us heavy?
But JID is always
and I wish,
bro.
I dare a nigga to bring his name up.
I love you, Big T.
Yo, thank you for the 5,000 bits. God damn. I appreciate you. I dare a nigga to bring up JID's name and talk shit. Like, Joey Badass. I ain't gonna lie. This your time. This your time, bro. Like, you really want to show like you him? I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
This and JID would be a power move. Do it. Do it, bro.
Just so that way the nigga can crucify you.
if hip hop is back, JID should chart platinum. Anything less than that, it means y'all capping. Fall off and drop it 2-6. Stop asking. I wanna thank God cause I almost lost passion.
Yeah.
Thought that I was finished, then it all started crashing. Made me remember why niggas
really start rapping.
I'm pissed cause the Knicks could have hired Mark Jackson. I'm hype, Mike Jordan just start broadcasting. And all the old rappers getting bags podcasting. It's beautiful.
Wait.
Mike Jordan just start broadcasting. Pissed cause the Knicks could have hired Mark Jackson. I'm hype, Mike Jordan just start broadcasting. And all the old
Michael Jordan started broadcasting? Is that what he said? What? Wait, what happened?
I don't know what you're talking about. That
Michael Jordan is broadcasting. What the fuck?
old rappers getting bags podcasting. It's beautiful. Jordan just start broadcasting. And all the old rappers getting bags podcasting. It's beautiful.
And all the... It's not a Joe Budden diss. He literally just said it's beautiful right after.
Bro.
And all the old rappers getting bags podcasting.
Hold on, wait. I want to hear this. I want to hear this again.
Thank God, cause I almost lost passion. Thought that I was finished, then it all start crashing. Made me remember why niggas start rapping. I'm pissed cause the Knicks could have hired Mark Jackson. I'm hype, Mike Jordan just start broadcasting. And all the old rappers getting bags podcasting. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop.
Okay, so he's talking. Yo. Joe Budden diss to yo. Yeah, thank you. Oh my gosh. Cause this nigga said, well, if you stop pausing, I can hear the whole song. I don't need you to tell me anything. And your message is wrong. He just said he's hyped. And this falls into the category of like the fall off. It's like what do you do after you did the shit that you know was known for, but you don't do it right now. You don't do it as much. Niggas broadcasting. Niggas is doing podcasts, successful ones at that. You're forcing the diss, bro. You're forcing the diss, buddy. You're forcing the diss. He shouted them out. That's
it
a
ain't
shout
no
out.
diss. It's not a diss.
DJ Clue to the storm. Whoa.
MJ isn't broadcasting though. So
These niggas in chat, bro.
I ain't even gonna lie to you. Patreon, bro. Chat. I got more members on Patreon than I do subs on Twitch. Chat, I can literally just stop streaming. I'll deadass just stop streaming, bro.
Can you not though? Like,
Y'all won't ever have to see me again.
Can you?
That will
not?
be my fall off.
Oh,
But
yeah.
I'm not gonna do that. No, I'm joking. I'm not gonna do that because I love
My fault,
I
my
love
fault.
streaming, bro.
My fault.
I love streaming, bro. But I just hope the community gets better, bro. I hope the community gets better, man. Like I feel like everybody has the mindset of like, yo, you have to do IRL or stream. The streams are.
I mean,
boring.
that's really what it is now,
Some
bro.
people just want to do this, bro.
Facts.
Shout out to Bruce, bro. Some people just want to do that. You feel it's getting worse, J-Man. You be streaming, you know. You already
Nah, for
know.
real. I'm sure.
But I feel like it depends. You know, there's some people that just kind of sit there
You stream too,
and don't
man. Like,
really do much,
you
and then
know.
there's others that can be entertaining. And I feel like it's better if you just talk a lot. You know, if you already yap, which I do, I just kind of talk too much. People would say. Easy for me to do, and it's just fun for me to do, especially if I'm passionate about something. I got something I want to say, bitch. I'm gonna say it, bro. I'm gonna say it,
Facts.
and I have to stop the music or whatever video I'm watching to say it.
Yeah. So that
Otherwise, I'm just talking through the song.
yeah, and that's
I'm
stupid.
just talking through the song, or I'm talking through the video.
Yeah.
J.Cole. When the fall off drops, every bar is gonna resonate with me, bro. Every bar is gonna resonate with me because it's just so relatable, especially the shit he talking about. It's because y'all see me damn near like all the time, so y'all hear me talk about this shit all the time. Like, oh my god, YouTube, everything about numbers, and everybody complain about numbers, da da da. But nigga, he feel the same way. He just, you don't see him all the time. So now because you're 33, what the fuck does that mean? What the fuck does this? You know where I'm not judged? Damn you, D-Man, with the 10 gifted.
Mind you, Raykai is the streaming antichrist and you be in his chat spamming LOL.
I do.
What
First
the
of all,
fuck?
I don't type in Rakai's chat.
Nigga said
Yo,
streaming antichrist.
Y'all act like I be watching his streams like this.
What the fuck?
Like, nigga, I am playing on my fucking Steam Deck and I throw his stream on. I'm not gonna act like the nigga not funny.
Nigga said
Is he
streaming
insane? And would I let my son watch him? Fuck no. Fuck no. But nigga, he be doing some funny shit. I'm sorry. Sometimes ignorant is funny. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend it's not. Ignorant be funny.
That's hey.
Like, how slow are you that you can't say a sentence? Bitch. Like, I'm sorry. That shit funny. Like, it's funny, bro. I'll be playing Persona. I will just be playing Persona. And then I hear, now, bitch. Now, hold on, bitch. No, slow down. And I'd be like, yo, this nigga's so... I look over at it, Dale. This nigga's so fucking stupid. This nigga is so fucking dumb, bro. It's just cool to have one in the background, bro. But I don't gotta explain myself to you, bro. Persona. You know what I'm saying, bro. Persona. J.Cole. we need the fall off.
No, we
ASAP.
getting it, bro.
We need
getting
that.
it.
I
We getting it.
specifically need that,
We
bro.
getting it. We getting it. We getting it.
I had so much to say for that one music video. I had a lot to say for this. There's no way I did 55 minutes. That's not true.
Oh, no way.
I think I accidentally started my recording early. When this album drops, I promise you, I already have so much in my mind that I want to say, but I'm not finna drag it here. And I remember with the other song, and it was like, yes, I relate to, like, yes, I'm gonna talk about my experiences too, cause bitch, I relate to it. That's why, like, a lot of people should be able to relate to this, even if you work a regular job, bro.
Facts.
Cause you know them niggas in the industry be fake as fuck, bro.
Facts. Should it be niggas at the job that's fake as fuck? Fuck you talking about?
Chat. ASAP said you ain't react to him like this. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna finish his album.
Hey, but I'm not gonna lie, bro. For the guys over at YouTube, this is a long ass reaction. I'm not gonna lie. This is probably my longest reaction ever. But I had to, bro. I had to, my nigga. I had to. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. Hit that noti bell. Make sure you go fuck with Dante as well. I'm Dante on Twitch. And make sure to go fuck with me. Twitch live. That's what this being recorded live off of. You know what I'm saying? Twitch.tv/Sinful TV. The L is a capital I. You feel what I'm saying? You know how I get down, but like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's been your boy. I'm out of here. It's been your boy saying I'm out of here. Be the boy saying I'm out of here. Bye, y'all.